How to add Snapchat link to Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile avatar or icon at the top left of the screen. The reason for this is that we want to memorize or copy your username because that's what we will be adding on your Facebook profile. Under your name, you can see that you have your username right there, so keep it in mind and then go ahead and open up Facebook and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile icon to access your profile page. And once you're here, you need to scroll down to the information section and from there click on public details. Then you need to scroll all the way down to the links section and click on add next to it. And from the social links section, click on add social link and select Snapchat as a platform from the platform drop down. And in the username field, enter your Snapchat username. Once you do that, it will be added as a Snapchat, and you can click on the save button at the top right of the screen to save the changes. And once you do that, go back to your profile and you will find that your Snapchat was added to your Facebook profile, as you can see right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add Snapchat link to Facebook profile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.